Very good to see you. Thank you. Very good to see you too. Hello. Hello, everyone. Good to see you. Good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Let's go. I think we're ready. Yes, let's go inside. All right, it's cold. Let's go inside. Hello. Here they are. Hello. Hey, congratulations. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very much. Thank you. We would like to take photographs, yes, and we would like to ask you a couple of questions. All right, we are ready. Okay, attention, please. Cheese. Once again. One more picture. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Attention, please. Cheese. Thank you very much. Yes, you can fit in here.
Lady, певица, keep smile.
Can you please answer what kind of work you will be performing at Baikonur? As usual, our traditional activities at Baikonur will be preparing for the flight. So how long will it take? No, it won't take a lot of time, and we're also not superstitious. And I was jumping with parachute on the 13th, so everything is fine. We are religious people, but we're not superstitious people. So what are your objectives for this flight? It's really hard to explain all the objectives in brief here, but mostly we will be devoting our time to performing scientific program. And we will be performing experiments, and my colleagues will help me with that. So are you having a good crew? Yes, absolutely. We're having a great crew. And we also met the cosmonauts and astronauts who returned recently, and we talked to them. The station is in great shape. Thank you very much once again. Can you repeat your question, please, once again? So, are you missing space? Did you miss space since your last flight? Yes, of course. It was a year and a half. Nikolai, goodbye. Your wives should stay here. Oh, no, they are going with you. Yes, they are going with you in the bus. Perfect. This is just a rehearsal. All right, bye-bye. See you soon. Bye-bye. We are moving to Baikonur now. Everything will be great, I can assure you. Flight surgeons, only flight surgeons can go inside the bus. I'm with you all the time. Bye-bye. Don't cry.